Are you ready to boost your garden with one of the easiest and most rewarding crops to plant? Stay with me, as today I reveal the best-kept secret of this time of year, planting garlic in October. Whether you're an experienced gardener or a beginner, now is the perfect time to plant bulbs. Trust me, your garden and your kitchen will thank you. But before we go any further, if you love gardening, don't forget to click subscribe. We're building a wonderful community of passionate gardeners who love tips that make life easier and harvests richer. Write in the comments, what's your favorite fall plant? I'd love to hear what's happening in your garden right now. Why plant garlic in October, you ask? Well, garlic loves the cold. It needs those cold months to develop into those big, delicious bulbs we all love. Plus, it's extremely easy to maintain. Plant it, forget about it, and enjoy the results next summer. But there is a catch. Timing and land preparation are key. Once you plant garlic this fall, you practically guarantee yourself an amazing harvest with minimal effort. Garlic is incredibly hardy, and actually the frost helps it develop strong roots. But before we get into how to plant, tell me in the comments, have you tried growing garlic yet? If so, how did it go? If not, don't worry, I'll walk you through the whole process step by step right now. Okay, here's how it's done. Step 1. Choose a sunny spot with well-drained soil. Step 2. Divide the head of garlic into cloves, but don't peel them. Plant each clove with the pointy side up about 2 inches deep and put them about 6 inches apart. Simple, right? And here's the secret to a bountiful harvest of garlic: mulch. When you're done planting, cover it with a thick layer of mulch. This helps regulate soil temperature and retain moisture, giving garlic the best start. And now, you just have to wait. But trust me, next June, you'll be picking garlic bigger and tastier than any you can buy in the store. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe and click the bell so you don't miss the next episode on the perfect companion plants for garlic. And remember, gardening gets easier with age. Just like garlic, we get better with time. Write in comment if you are planting garlic this year, and let's grow together.